Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a super quick but really helpful Mailchimp fix. If you've ever copied and pasted text into Mailchimp and noticed that the formatting just looks off, maybe weird fonts, colors, or sizes that don't match the rest of your email, you're not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get rid of those frustrating formatting problems, so your emails look clean, consistent, and professional every time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're in the Mailchimp email designer. This is where you actually edit the content of your campaign. You can get there by opening your Mailchimp dashboard, then going to Campaigns and picking the email you want to edit. Once you're inside the design, you'll see a sample text block. Maybe it's placeholder text, or maybe you've already pasted your content and the formatting looks off. So what do you do when that happens? Here's the trick. Start by clicking into the text block that needs fixing. Don't worry if it's a big chunk of text, or if you see different colors, bold fonts, or strange spacing. That's exactly what we're here to solve. The key is to select all of the problematic text. You can do this by clicking into the text area, then either dragging your mouse over everything or using keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+A on Windows, Command+A on Mac to highlight all the text at once. Selecting everything makes sure we reset the formatting on all of it, not just part of your content. You'll see a toolbar up at the top of your editing box. Look for the little icon with 3 dots. It's usually in the top right corner of that toolbar. It might not jump out at you right away, but those 3 dots are important because they open up additional options. Click on them and a few more tools will appear. Even if you're feeling a little unsure about changing settings here, don't worry, this step is completely safe. We're just clearing up unnecessary formatting, not deleting your text. The next thing you want to do is click on Clear Styles. This button is a bit like pressing the reset button for your text. It strips away any hidden formatting that's been copied over from other programs, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Think of it like cleaning a smudged window so your real message can shine through. This step will bring all your text back to Mailchimp's default styles, getting rid of those pesky, inconsistent fonts and colors. Depending on how much text you have or how messy the formatting was, you might see your text change immediately. Don't worry, that's what we want. After you've cleared styles, you'll notice that your text is much tidier. At this point, you can go back in and reapply any formatting you actually want, like making headings bold or adding links. The difference is now you're starting fresh, so everything will match and look intentional throughout your email. And that's it, just a handful of clicks, and you've solved one of the most common and stubborn issues Mailchimp users run into. I promise this is a huge time saver, especially if you regularly copy content from other sources into your newsletters. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips just like this. If you have any questions or run into any trouble with Mailchimp, feel free to drop a comment below. I try to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.